The concept of using subscription box services has been gaining more of a popularity these days. I've always been interested in the thought of renting clothes, especially during the holidays or when I just have a lot of special events going on. I've noticed that every year around that time, I end up buying things that I'll probably wear once, maybe twice, before it makes its way back into the back of my closet collecting dust and probably not seeing the light of day again. So when I saw the opportunity to partner with Nuuly, I had to give it a shot. This video is sponsored by Nuuly, and Nuuly is a subscription service where you can rent clothing items. This is how Nuuly works. You go on their website and you pick out 6 different clothing items that you want to try out. Then they'll send the pieces over to you and you'll get to wear them for a month. Rock them as many times as you want, however you want. Then at the end of the month, if you don't want to keep any of the pieces, you can put them back in the box. They'll give you a return label, so all you gotta do is stick that bad boy on there and then send it back. If there are pieces that you fell in love with, you can also purchase them at a discounted price. Also, the great thing is the fee that you pay per month also covers laundry or any damages. So if you spill anything, or if you tear it, or if it just gets a little smelly, you don't have to do the laundry or anything. They'll take care of that for you. When you first sign on Nuuly and create an account, they'll ask you several questions just to get to know you and your body type a little bit more. They'll first ask you if you're petite, plus, or standard. Then you select the sizes that you typically wear so they can filter it a little bit more further for you. And here's my favorite part. They actually ask what body type you are. If you're a pear-shaped body, apple, hourglass, inverted triangle, straight, there's a shape for you. If you haven't seen my last video, I talk about being an apple-shaped body and how it's very different from a pear-shaped body or any other body shapes out there. So this way it can actually cater to your body type. After you choose that, it's party time. They'll go ahead and they'll curate a list of things that you might like, and you can pick out pieces from them. The brands that they offer are brands that I've always wanted to try. They have clothes from Anthropologie. I like the idea that this gives me a chance to try out new things without adding to my collection of clothes that I'll never wear again, or clothes that I'll wear once or twice and that's it. So now that you know how Nuuly works, I'm going to show you guys all the pieces that I picked out for the month, and then give you an overall review of the pros and cons of trying out a subscription box service like Nuuly. So this dress is one of the reasons why I think a subscription service is so worth it, because you're paying $88 a month, but you're able to wear dresses that are $700 and absolutely gorgeous. A dress like this I'd probably wear once or twice, maybe 3 times the most. I can't even tell you how beautiful I just feel in this. So to be able to try it out and wear it without really spending that much money is just, I just think it's so well worth it. So this is the next dress that I picked up. So this is one of those dresses I thought would be more thicker. It'd be like a wool material, but it's actually not. But it's very comfortable, so I will say that. And I actually really like this dress. I love that it's a mock turtleneck. I just feel like mock turtlenecks are just so beautiful. The only thing I don't like about this dress is I feel like it just doesn't really give me that much of a shape. I'm glad it does come with a belt, but it's cute, but I wouldn't really keep it. This dress is by Anthropologie. It is worth $180, and it's just this beautiful polka dotted slip dress. It's all black, but it has this pattern to it where it's almost colored polka dots. It's very faint, but it's just absolutely beautiful. I paired it with a black belt because I wanted to add a little bit more shape to it, but I just think this is one of those beautiful outfits. Nothing too fancy, but it's just also so put together and so elegant at the same time. Leopard in general is such a fall piece to have, and so I love to rock this around this time. The only issue that I had with this dress is that this dress is super loose. It didn't give me any structure or any shape to my body. I paired it with a belt to just cinch my waist a little bit, and because my belt is black, I also paired it with black booties just to tie the whole thing together. And I just thought that this was such a cute dress to rock from the month of October going into November. Y'all, when I say this piece is quality, this piece is quality. I could see how this is $138, especially when I compare it to all of the other blazers that I have. This feels nothing close to it. This is one of those pieces that's just such street chic style that you can just layer on a simple basic outfit like this and just make it look so nice and so fancy and so chic, making it look so good. So this is the final piece that I picked up, and it's a plaid jacket. So this is another one of those jackets where I feel like it is quality. It feels so thick and so good. It will definitely keep you warm. It's plaid, so obviously it's perfect for fall. And the thing that I love most about this is how luxurious it feels because of the fur coat, or the fur portions of it. It's a $275 coat. When you pick this out, you'll have a month's worth of time to wear this. So you'll really get a use out of this coat. And if you really love it, you can purchase it at a discounted price. $275 is a little steep. I'm not so sure what the discounted price would be, but if you have the money and you already love the coat, you could go ahead and keep it. So let's talk about the pros and cons of having a subscription box like this. Biggest con that I can think of is the fact that you're spending $88 a month on clothing pieces that you're not going to keep. So you might also forget to send the clothing items back. You'll end up being charged for another month. So when it comes to the pros, I think the biggest thing is that you're able to try out so many different clothing pieces. Let's do some math here. So with all the 6 pieces that I picked out, altogether was worth $1,517. So if you are on a budget and you are looking to try out clothes or wear clothes for special occasions that you just don't plan on wearing ever again, this would be a great option for you. Another pro is the fact that it's sustainable. You know, you're able to reuse and repurpose and recycle clothing items that you wear and send back instead of it just wasting away. If you guys want to save $20 on your first box, there's a special code for you guys, because we all know we all like to save money, especially in this climate. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful and if you liked it, and I will see you guys next time. Mwah.